Hey guys, I'm gonna show you to play with slime. That I'm playing with slime. So let's get started. Very gooey. Ew, it's so gross. Ew! I'll just leave the top right there. And now I am going to dump it out. You can kind of see it looks like boogers. Mom, is it okay if I get it in the bath?
Yeah, that's what it's about.
You can see that it's very gooey and very gross. You can also see that it looks like boogers. Boogers, boogers, boogers. Ew. You can also see that mostly every slime is green. Don't you see that this is so gross? Who'd even play with this slime? It feels like snot. Straight up snot. Can you see this right now? Just looks like straight up snot. Straight up snot.
Maybe tell them what you can do with it, like how you play with it.
Well, the reason why you play with it because it's fun, right? Everybody, it's so fun. Like, can you not imagine playing with this? I mean, it looks so gross. Can you understand this? Would you even understand this? I would never think that I would play with this kind of slime. You know, you can actually pick it all up, but it's just too soggy to do it right now. You know, you can actually pick it up. I just don't want to do it in my hand because it feels like snot. Straight up snot. It just feels straight up snot. Ew! Does that feel like gross? I mean, straight up snot. Straight up snot. Oh, snot, snot. Everywhere snot. You know, I made this video of snot. I just don't want you to show it. It's straight up snot. You can also see that it's very stretchy, but very unpolite to show somebody. Now I am showing you that this is so gross right now. I mean, like when you do this, it's straight up snot, like straight up snot. You can almost get every single part of it, but not really now. Because it's all gooey. You know, when you move it around, it'll go in the same place. This is like straight up snot.
You want to say something else too, girl? Everybody's going to watch a video that just keeps saying snot, 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 snot. I'm going to shut the door so you don't smell onions, okay?
Okay. So, like, stop. I'd rather just play with slime. Heck. This is like straight up snot. This is like straight up snot. Oh my god, Ermo, why would you ever play with that? That is so. Oh my god! What the heck, Ermo? It's just like straight up snot, guys. You can see that it actually is probably snot. It's not snot, Ermo. It's slime that you can put in water and then you take a bath with it. Yeah, my brother is right. It's like slime. Well, it is slime, but it's not.
Hey, Dad, what's you doing?
I'm not your dad, Chase.
No.
And
Okay, Mr. Butterfly, get in my mouth. I said get in my mouth. Oh my god.
you know, it's kind of like so gross. I mean, look at my hands right now. They're so gross and slimy.
How about show your hands to the public?
What's public?
Public is
The audience.
everyone.
You know, guys, this is like so gross.
Everybody said that like $17,000.
Jay's about to make a video. Come on, pal.
I know. I'm just watching her.
I know.
So gross. You know, if you saw this, if you saw this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and do whatever you can for this video. So Chase, can you press that button?
Yes.
So gooey.